हेलो एंड वेलकम टू काउच पोटैटो। तो आज हो रही है यहाँ पे बहुत बारिश एंड मेरा मन था बिरयानी खाने का। आई नो आप सोच रहे हो कि डाइट में बिरयानी कैसे। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ। लेट्स गो। For this you need really simple ingredients. Let's begin with the main ingredient, which is chicken. I've taken 150 grams of boneless chicken breast, but if you like you can also take chicken breast with bones because bones have a lot of flavor, and अगर आप ऐसा करो तो you can accordingly increase the weight a little. Okay, then I have a little curd with me. This would be I think 10 to 15 grams. If you can fit it in your macros or in your diet, बहुत ही अच्छा. If you can't, just remove it. मतलब इसको अगर आप हटा दोगे तो इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Then let's move to the spices. 7 cloves of garlic, a little piece of adrak, ginger. I personally prefer garlic more, तो मैं garlic ज़्यादा रखती हूँ. If you prefer ginger more, आप उसको बढ़ा सकते हो. 4 green chilies. If you want it spicier, you can add green chilies in taste के हिसाब से. धनिया, if you have it at home, add it. If not, it's okay. I have a little सूखा धनिया, लाल मिर्च, काली मिर्च, and garam masala or chicken masala, whatever you have. So this recipe is really flexible. So moving on to the first step, which is marination. तो अभी हमने जितने ingredients देखे हैं वो सिर्फ marination के हैं. Let's quickly move to that. So guys, moving on to how this marination is made, you just need a mortar and pestle. I am not sure इसको हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं exactly, but I know हिंदी में इसके बहुत सारे names हैं. So do let me know in the comment section कि आपके घर पे इसको क्या बोलते हैं. So I'll just directly put in the garlic and the ginger and the green chilies and the धनिया, मतलब जो भी आपके पास है सब goes in together. Just to give it a little bit of texture, I'll add a little salt. Okay, and that's it. You just have to work it a little. Make sure कि आप इसको बहुत ही fine paste मत बनाओ. And even if you don't have this and if you're using a mixie, make sure that you don't make it a very fine paste. थोड़े सा chunky रखिए इसको so that it has a little bit of texture. So I'll just grind it a little. And I'll show you what this texture looks like. Oh god, and as soon as you hit the garlic and the ginger and they mix together and it smells. The step is to just put this in the chicken and let it marinate for some time. आई एम ऑल्सो एडिंग कर्ड, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था. एंड जो सारे ड्राई स्पाइसेस थे, ऑल ऑफ इट गोज इन टुगेदर. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसके बाद आपको डालना है नमक स्वाद अनुसार. अनदर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू हियर इज़ दैट इफ़ यू नॉट यूजिंग दही और कर्ड और योगर्ट, you can use a simple nimbu. That's it. Cut it in halves, use half of it, and also it helps the chicken get a little more tender. So use this instead. So our chicken has rested for an hour in the marination and it's ready to be cooked. Now for the biryani, you just need a few whole spices. Here I have shahi jeera, a little bit of jayavitri, 1 badi ilaichi, a small one, 2 long. Okay, this is a very special spice. This is what we call here as patthar ke phool. You can get it at any local store and you can also get it online. ये ऐसे तो आपको कोई खुशबू नहीं देंगे, but the minute you add it into ghee, this aroma that it spreads is unbelievable. So if you can get your hands on this, do add this to your biryani. But अगर आप नहीं add करते हो तब भी you can do with all the other whole spices. I also have tej patta because I'm cooking for just one person, तो इसलिए इतने थोड़े थोड़े spices लिए हैं, but you can adjust the quantity according to the volume that you have. And also a small piece of dalchini. So I have my very special mitti ki kadhai. It gives a lovely earthy flavor to your food and it's very good for your health. In this I've just added 7 grams of ghee. If you like, you can add sarson ka tel as well, but I prefer ghee. In this I'm just adding my whole spices as it is. So the jeera goes in. We allow it to pop a little. So once it starts crackling, you can add the other spices as well, and make sure you add your patthar ke phool in the beginning directly into the ghee so that it can, release its aroma. You just don't have to let these dry spices to burn. So make sure that they don't burn because you don't want a charred flavor. You just want the beautiful smell of these spices to come out. So now I've just added all the whole spices and I'm going to mix it a little. Once you start, getting the beautiful aroma of these dry spices, the next step is to just add the chicken directly into your kadhai, and the beautiful sound. Wow, I really love the sound of cooking actually. Now what I'm doing is I'm just sauteing the chicken a little. I'm sorry, बहुत technical terms नहीं पता है मुझे. मैं बस chicken को थोड़ा सा तेल में cook कर रही हूँ so that the color just changes from pink to a little white. I'm not cooking it completely because I wanted to cook with the rice. See, if you see the color of chicken has started changing. We'll just wait for it to change a little and then we'll add the rice directly into it. As you can see, the chicken has changed in color slightly. पहले वो pink था, अब थोड़ा सा white हो गया है. तो make sure you don't overcook it because then जब आप rice के साथ इसको cook करोगे तो it will become very hard and chewy. So we'll not overcook it. I have a bowl of this is exactly 60 grams of rice. So for 150 grams of chicken breast, you can use 60 grams or 70 grams of rice, whatever your diet permits. I soaked it for 15 minutes. So I'll just put the rice in it. So I've just added 1.5 cup of water to this. Make sure you don't add too much water because then it doesn't cook properly and the texture becomes too watery. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to this. You can add it according to your taste. एक trick जो मेरी है यहाँ पे वो ये है that whenever you're making biryani or pulao, the water that you have after you added salt should taste like salty water or sea water. तो आप अभी भी टेस्ट करके चेक कर सकते हो. अगर वो सी वाटर जैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है तो आपकी जो बिरयानी या उपमा है या पुलाव है दैट विल टेस्ट फाइन. द सॉल्ट विल बी फाइन इन दैट. या दैट्स इट. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट टू बॉयल. Once it starts boiling, I can cover it with a lid and we let it cook on low flame for some time. बिरयानी में boil आना शुरू हो गया है. The water has started boiling. So now we'll just cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame. Guys, low flame. Have some patience. Let's see how our biryani looks. Wow, it looks really nice. It's almost done now. I'll just add a little bit of garam masala as per your taste. I'm turning off the gas now. जो remaining अगर आपके पास थोड़ा सा पानी बच गया है बिरयानी में, don't worry about it, it'll dry off. And a little bit of dhania, मेरा favorite. Looks pretty, no? Let's plate it and eat. I'm having my biryani with simple curd that I've flavored with a little bit of roasted cumin or jeera, a pinch of Kashmiri lal mirch, and a little bit of black salt. And the best part is that this recipe has only 530 calories and is loaded with protein. I hope you'd like this recipe, and I hope you'll definitely try it and let me know how it was. Oh, and if you want to join me in my fitness journey, do like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.